Okay guys, my meal is ready. This is my almond chicken with black coffee. I'm gonna have this now and return to my work. I will catch you later. If you like this video, kindly give the like, hit the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be trying to cook anything I want. I mean to say my mood says, So here it is. Let me taste a bit how it is. Good. Salt is good. Almond taste is nice. Chicken is good. So it's nice. Even you can try this. Now you can add the stuff, whatever you like, but it's good. So catch you later. I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow and enjoy this. See you next time, guys.